Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ripom Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Click to pump, fast and accurate. Enjoy ultra-fast inflation with up to 150 psi and powerful 26 liter per minute airflow, inflating a 195/65 R15 tire in just 50 seconds from 28 to 36 psi plus and, or minus 0.5 bar for precise inflation of your car, bike, or SUV tires. 6 times faster than other portable tire inflators, saving you time and effort. 5 preset modes, digital air pump. This portable air compressor equipped with 4 preset modes for car, motorcycle, bike, ball, and a custom mode. Short press to select mode, car, motorcycle, bike, ball. Long press to change unit, PSI, kPa, bar, kilogram per square centimeter. One device, multiple uses. Auto shut-off hassle-free inflation. The electric air pump equipped with intelligent chip large dual LED screen, display real-time and preset pressure value for easy tire pressure monitoring. The smart auto shut-off feature stops inflation automatically, preventing overinflation. Compact design, easy to carry. Lightweight and mini space-saving design fits in your glove box, backpack, or car trunk. Perfect for daily driving, road trips, RV adventures, or family vacations. A practical and thoughtful gift for drivers and outdoor lovers. Multifunction emergency tool. More than an air compressor, features a LED flashlight with 3 modes, standard, SOS, alarm, for night use, plus a 5V/2 amp USB port to charge phones and devices. Essential for roadside emergencies and camping. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.